In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut template in PC. So the first step is to create your project and make sure you're signed in into your CapCut account. Now, once you do that, as you can see at the top, we have the templates section here. So click on this, and then after that, you'll be able to see all these templates that are available. So basically what we're gonna have to do is simply pick one of these. So we can simply download this and add this to our project, and then we just have to replace. So as you can see, one clip to be replaced, so it's this one here. So when you click here, you're gonna see how many videos you can replace, and you can simply click on this button to replace with your custom video or photo. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.